So in this video, I'm going to use Dope uh, to track a meat can and the spam meat can, and I will use a UDP server client system to send that pose detection information to Unity 3D, and will rotate this object according to the detected pose parameters in here. So this is the detection. So let's first check the 3D translation parameters. This is along x-axis, this is along y-axis, this is along z-axis. Z-axis is a little bit hard to show. Let me keep this open as well. You can see the value of z-axis change. Okay, now let's look at the angles. Let's first check the roll. Now let's look at the pitch. Now let's look at the yaw. So I'm using a simple UDP server client in Python. I'm using Dope and sending the information using a simple UDP server, server, and in C++, C#, I'm using a client system in Unity, a client class to receive that data using UDP. Thank you for watching.